It's not really a fair comparison comparing the capital of Austria to the capital of Italy, but there are a lot of these arches I noticed here, and these streets are way too damn narrow. Of course, these are streets that are probably several centuries old, easily older than Canada, older than the United States. Not as old as the woolly mammoth, but probably close. Wow, if you look up here, part of the guardrail is missing and is certainly not tall enough. That would never be legal in Canada. But here in Italy, it's all right.